Hey tribe, welcome back to the channel. What if you just paid thousands of dollars to have all this replaced and then this happened? Okay crew, see that right there? It's a check engine light. Stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay tribe, so I'm going to use the Banks super gauge we have here to check this check engine light, see what kind of code I get. Pretty easy to do. Let's check it out, see what we got. I want to go into diagnostics. I want to run a vehicle diagnostic. Want to check vehicle codes. See what we got here. Okay. Scroll down. It says P24D1. Refer to service manual for definition. Okay, and if you look under there, I don't know how good you can see it, telling you when it detected it. Load was at 55%, ECT was 178, the map pressure RPM was 1704, speed was 55, etc, etc, etc. So that code, you can go look it up online if you don't have a service manual, but I'm pretty sure that is a code for one of the temperature sensors for the regeneration. So I'm going to check this out. Okay crew, so the actual meaning of that code is particulate matter sensor regeneration incomplete. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here into my super gauge and I'm going to clear that code. I have a plan. We know how that goes. Okay, so then I pulled that code. Now I'm going to clear vehicle codes. You just follow the prompts. Okay, all codes have been cleared. Okay, I'm going to go into do a stationary regen. Engine coolant tip must be above 160 degrees. So I'm going to have to let this run for a few minutes. Okay guys, so I know I want to do a regen now. I cleared the code. So we'll tap over on our super gauge here. Oh, that went too far. Go back into diagnostics, vehicle, go down to stationary regen. I think we should be up. Follow these warnings. Get this thing away from buildings and grass and pop the hood. And so now I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle. By pressing down to continue. There we go. Get out of this truck. Okay crew, so it took about a half hour to do the regen. And you can see the suet level is down to 4%. It was at 33, I think. So I have to let this run for about 10 more minutes to cool down, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, tribe, here's what I think happened. So it had nothing to do with the parts that was changed out. So I believe that code is P24D1. It's particulate matter sensor regeneration incomplete. And what I think happened was, while we were driving, the truck was in regen. We was towing heavy, but we was on flat, and I happened to look at the suet level and the EGR temp on the iDash, and that thing is great. That's exactly why I have it. I believe it was in regen, and it stopped at a rest area and shut it off before it completed its regen. So we took back off, and wasn't long after that check engine light came on. But it wasn't, I haven't had a check engine light since 2018. And with that check engine light, I also got a low fuel pressure message. So that's what makes me believe it was, it didn't complete the regen. So I did the forced regen on it, the stationary regen. I took it for a test drive, no check engine light. So it had nothing to do with all the money we had just spent on it. Now, I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. And if you made it this far in the video, please take a moment to like and subscribe, and drop us a comment. Tell us what you think. Check us out on our Facebook page, S&S RV Adventures. Till next time, God bless. Safe travels. See ya.